So as we have understand the basic of Visual Basic Editor, how the things work in VBA. So now in today's session, I am going to explain everything about scope. So when we are declaring a variable in VBA programming, so we must know the scope of a variable, so that it will be very easy for us to know the accessibility of a variable when we are declaring, whether we can access it in a different procedure or in a different module, or how the scope of a variable is. So let me take you to the VBA editor, so that by giving some examples, you will get to know how this works. So I can directly go there by clicking on this Control F11, sorry, Alt F11. Then and the alternative of this one is clicking on this Visual Basic icon. So I'm pressing Alt F11. Now this is my Visual Basic editor. I hope it is visible. So what I will do here, I'll just insert a module, because we can write a procedure within a module only. So for that we have to click on this insert tab, then module. As the new module is inserted, I'll just customize its name. I'll put it as this is scope module. Okay, so now this is the editor. So what we can do, I will write a procedure. So before I write a procedure, I want to tell you the most important things about a procedure, like the syntax. So what is the syntax of a procedure? It is beginning with keyword sub sub, then the procedure name, then you have to end it with end sub. And the intelligence of this Visual Basic editor is it automatically takes that ending line, that is end sub. So suppose I'm writing here sub pro test 1. So the actual way of writing it is like you have to put this bracket here, then you can press enter. So this ends up, it will take automatically. So as the rule, I will write a variable here. I'll just declare it dim var1 as long. Okay, so this variable one, it is a long, that is a whole number, so the data type is long. So for var1, I will assign a value here, var1 equals to 10. Suppose I want to show this var1 value in a message box. I want to check whether it is coming correct or not. So I'll just write a message box function, then var1. So when I'm debugging this code, I'll press F5. It will show me the value, that is 10. Okay. Suppose I want to access this var1 value 10 in a different procedure. So for that, I'll write another procedure here, pro test 2. I'll press enter, message box var1. Okay, so let me try and execute this code, this line of code. I'll just press here, or I can use my shortcut key F5. See what error it is showing, compile error. So it is not able to compile this code because variable not defined. If you see this scope, this procedure, starting from this procedure till end, can you see, did we declare anything here, this var1? No. We declared the var1 in sub procedure 1, that is here. We didn't declare it, and the reason it is not showing the value here, because when we are declaring a variable inside the procedure, the accessibility of that variable is within that procedure only. We cannot access the variable of a procedure in another procedure. So that is why we are unable to do so. Suppose I will write this declaration here, dim var1 as long okay. So, and we haven't put a assign any value here, so I'll just write var1 equals to 20. Let me debug or execute this one. See, the value is showing 20 here. And if you notice, the variable name is same in both these procedures, because it has no problem with it. Because, and the the benefit of this you know drawback of this thing in VBA is that you can assign a new value of the for the same variable in the same module. So that is the one benefit of it. And some people say, like, some people will say, like, if I want to access this variable in my second procedure or third procedure, how can we do that? As you were saying, the accessibility of this variable is within the procedure only, because it is declared inside a procedure. Suppose somebody wants to access it in a different procedure, how can that person do that? But for that we have a different thing called module scope. So there are actually three scopes. One is procedure level scope, this is procedure scope, this is what is procedure scope is look like. And when you are declaring something in a module, because this is a module and you are not declaring anything within any procedure, so you're declaring it outside. Suppose I'm writing it var1 as long, so we don't have to duplicate or redundant this line. We can remove it. var110, we don't have to write this line also, because it is already there in a module level where one variable is already declared. So we can write it inside any procedure. We can assign any value. Suppose I want to assign 40 here, I can do that. And if I'll execute this both procedures, it will show me this different value which is assigned here. It will not throw any compile error. That is variable not declared. As you can see, there is no variable declaration inside this procedure as well this procedure. So I'll just run this procedure now. See, I'm getting the value 10 for this one. I'm getting the value 40. So this is what a module level procedure looks like. Because we are not declaring anything inside any procedure, we are declaring it in a module level, that is outside. Suppose so this is what a module level procedure look like. And suppose I want to access it within in another module. So in another module, when I'm saying I will insert another module here, module, I'll name it as mod 2, and in mod 2 I'm writing sub procedure 1 and row var1 equals to 20 message box var1. So can anybody tell me whether I can access it or not? So from our learning, what we have understood till now is that when we are declaring a procedure within when declaring a variable within a procedure, that scope is limited to that procedure only. But when we are declaring a variable in a module level, that variable can be accessed by any procedure but within that module. But this is a different module and this is different procedure. Can we access that? Let's run it. And I'm saying we cannot access this. Let's run it and see variable not defined. So how can we access it from this scope module? So for that you need to declare this variable as public. This is how we can access it from another module. So let's run this one. We can access it here, we can access it here from different module. That was our questions. So let me run it and see. Let's do it 2000. Yeah, great. So we can access it from a different module. So this is the basic of accessibility of a variable. If we not understand this one, so it will be very hard for us to write codes, because we will not understand where we can access a variable. So how will you write a code? It will be very difficult for us, and this is the basic thing that a programmer, VBA programmer should understand. Okay, thank you so much guys. We will see you in the next session.